The next decade of enterprise software will be shaped by AI agents, systems that can reason, learn, adapt, and act across business processes.
This is going to be the most transformative thing that's ever happened in business.
To close the gap between ideas and outcomes, organizations need more than tools. They need a disciplined operating model and sophisticated intelligence about how the organization actually runs. That's where Microsoft Agent Factory comes in. Agent Factory enables every role, from developers to IT and business roles, to build, share, and manage agents using an integrated stack and a single prepaid plan. That way, everyone is empowered to build intelligent, trusted agents with the right tools at the right time.
I love building agents now because I can, right? And so can anybody.
Agent Factory also provides deep technical expertise to accelerate innovation. Whether you're planning your first pilot or taking sophisticated, multi-agent systems into production.
Working with Microsoft has really allowed us not to bring AI as a standalone to our workforce, but really integrate it in everything we do.
Finally, Agent Factory helps organizations lay a strong foundation for the future by developing their in-house expertise required to build and scale AI agents safely.
We are not just training for today, we are preparing early careers as well as advanced skills teams for what's next.
It's all about velocity. It's all about shipping ideas.
Build small agents, learn from that, begin to join them together, understand how they work effectively together. Your own creativity will probably outstrip the ambition you had in the first place.
Move from ideas to outcomes faster with Microsoft Agent Factory.